Hi everyone, in this video we'll make health bar in Unity. Let's start. First, let's add image to our scene. We'll use this image as HP bar. And let's make our canvas settings. Let's set canvas scale to 1920x1080. Then set the size and position of our HP bar and assign its image. After that, add our second image. We'll use this image to fill our HP bar. Let's adjust its size and position and assign its image. The part we shouldn't forget is that we need to choose the image type of the image as filled, otherwise it won't work. We also set the fill method to horizontal. Our settings are done. Next, let's add a script. And then add a button to test this script. As we click this button, our HP value will decrease or increase. Set the size and position of our button, and finally, let's assign the image of the button. Then let's open our script and define fill image as image and then a float value. Next, let's create a method called updateHP. In this method, we'll update our HP bar by using the fillImage.fillAmount property, and we divide our value by 100. That's all. Then let's drag our script into Canvas and assign our fill image. After, call the method we wrote with the button. And now we can test it. Now we can change the current health value and see how it works. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.